Any man when say them not give no woman their money, I see where they treat their mother. The man them way no one give woman no money and show woman no love and respect. And the same thing they do their mother. Me go tell you something, ladies. You see, any man no see disrespect their mother, argue with their mother, tell their mother anything coming at their mind, then spit it out of their mouth just so brrr. Then don't care, then have no respect for their mother. Remember me tell you, as so you take them in your life, as so you have to go let them out back. Cause they don't love their mama, they not gonna love you neither. So we woman must think. And we need to hold up the red flags them when we see them kind of man there. They not go treat we woman no better. They not have nothing good in their heart pertaining to their mother. They say, Mommy, I love you, and take care of their mother because they reach a phase now. So they must show their mother love and respect, and thank God their woman never kill them. You understand? At the same way how they treat their mother, as so them go treat no woman. We woman a matter of fact. So then kind of man there, when they come towards we, if they come in our life, come mess it up, red flags. Hold up the red flags. I mean, supposed to hand me the whole, but you don't know, say just hold up the red flags. You don't know what I mean. Hold up the red flags. Red flags to them man there, we disrespect their mother, and one can treat woman the same way. So it's just a pity. You cannot see it. Because we're spiritual blind, we can't see I want devil. I want demon. They come in our life to come torment we. We need to get rid of them and they out of our life. And if we didn't take them in yet, nobody take them none at all. I devil them. They have some spirit to walk with them where they tell them be wrong to do their mother. So when they get a woman where they show them love, they not even understand what is love because they not used to it. The man them will treat their mother like a dog. They not go treat we woman good. Then disrespect their mother. They all want to kill their mama. It's like another mother. They angle their mother like their mother a stranger. And then they can take up we good woman in their life. We are take care of them at the first treatment then get so good. They don't even understand how to show love and appreciation for whatever we woman doing for them. Before they show we back love and affection and respect as a woman, we take them up in our life. But we fool, you know. It's something about the fool part. Before they show we love and respect. As a woman who take them up in our life like so we are their mama and they take care of them, wash, cook and clean and take care of them, make them look like a somebody, then turn on and back with them to and kick with them. And this week, see all another woman where them plan to go do the same week, the same thing in the same way, same farm. Which that the woman not even know say when how a woman down there so. And I so treat the woman if she wouldn't bother come in her life. Because killing go kill you too. If you know and gone in and hit it out of your fault. You understand? By the way, come back to the fool. You know say some of we woman real fool. When you start a relationship with a jackass, and you find out say you they try to put him on the right road and he they take the wrong road and you continue the relationship, you are idiot. Yes, we are idiot. But we they say we love and he will change, we will change. We they say man go change like say we are God. We is not God. We don't know if them are go change or worse them are get. And they not used to good treatment so they can treat we bad. Like we are not nothing or we are not nobody. Any men who say do not respect woman, they are nothing. Them are not nothing at all. Then the man, they no woman no show no love and no respect. No affection, no attention, nothing. And you know, say them kind of man they we don't have no love to show you and give back, no attention, no money. Them and them brought like a dog to hands of feisty. Some of them don't even have no way. Figure. I do them catch by your eye tap and them a ring with you. You understand? And disrespect can tell you the most disrespectful word and say you a style them. And at the end of the day, they don't know what style mean. At them a styler. Because how can a woman take up a man and taking care of them? Like I say, your pitney. Some of the man them all older than we woman and we take them up. You understand? And how we they take care of them because they not have it. But true we are say we love. We are one idiot. We don't even know what is love. Because if we didn't know what is love, we don't take up no crosses in our life. We can't tumble down no whole house pan we. You understand? And when we take them up, you know what they do? Disrespect we in front of God and back of God. Like we are not nothing. And at the end of the day, you see behind them friend, they live pan we like a leeches. Like chink and ticks in a cupboard. Because they can't do without whatever you are giving to them. Because they don't have it. And who they help them had them then disrespect. They don't know love in their heart. They don't know what is love. Hey baby, I love you. I love you and I kiss you up. They don't love, they don't know name love. And the crosses man them me talk. Me not talking good man them. So the good man them out there, do not put yourself in this because it's not you. The man them will know true love and affection and attention and how to treat a woman. The good man them will know about TLC. And know if you take care of them clean skin woman, nice and good. And not uno me attack. Don't put yourself in this. Uno see him good up man, you know. No say. The man them when me they talk, I saw them turn for truth, you know. You understand? But you see some of we woman too. Things will happen to we because we don't think first before we do what we are gonna do. We just jump and do things like we know everything. You see in a real life, you know so we're supposed to ask God first. Anything we are going to do, we're supposed to ask God if He right or if He wrong, if we go up on the wrong road or the right road. Yes, but no, we too boomy, we too jumpy, we go on like we know everything. And then we pick and choose and refuse until we pick up all the devil himself in our life. Then we have to call Jesus. Ask God to intervene in our life because we pick up on crosses, man, we mad to kill we. So we are beg God to take him out. And you know me notice something to them kind of man they too. They feel say when you take them up, them is the best thing ever in your life. Them kind of man they. Me talk, remember when me say this don't go for all man. This go for the dirty man them. A matter of fact, the dirty man them will disrespect their mother and can treat woman the same way. You understand? Yeah, them man they will not know love. And no respect for nobody. We need to ask God to pick for we and choose you because we are choose the wrong man. And when we take them up and put them in our life, some of them end up all kill we woman too. You understand? Some of them are as me said before, them are the devil themselves. Yeah, but when we sorry for some of them, you know, and but we love. Could we too? I chat about love. We need to go learn about what is love. Yeah, because we have take up some crosses in our life and cause problem in our life and then appear trouble in there. But let me tell you something, ladies. Once you take up, because remember we are spiritual blind, because once you not live life, once you not live right for God, you know, we spiritual blind, you know. So, once we take up and crosses man in our life, you know, we see it again. But you know, we need to get him out quick and fast, you know. Else problem the right there so. Yes, problem there. Trouble the right there so. We need to get rid of them. Either you left or him left. Don't stay there unless you don't love yourself. You understand? Yeah, man. A time for woman wise up. Get wise up, you know. Start think and focus on your life and stop put some of them idiot man there in front of you. The only person you're supposed to put in front of you is God himself. No, man. And them the type of man they do. You don't love them more than you love yourself. And that then kind of wicked man, they were wicked to Uno. Wicked to we woman. Let me put it away there because I don't want to feel like I say, me are going like me better than nobody. Listen, I am talking about women on a wall where love when man abuse them. It is not right. You're hurting yourself. While when time he damage you, he blind when you're eye, he kick out your picnic out of your belly and he left you and he gone to one next woman. Be careful of what we are doing with ourselves. We have to make sure. We have to make sure what we are doing. Ladies, please think. We need to think about the type of man that we want in our life. We have to think. We are move too fast because sometimes we take up the wrong person. Sometimes the type of person that we thought them kind of man they are not that type of person. But it's not too late for a shower rain, you know. See when you take him in your life, you can get him out back. Yeah, a prayer run things. Yeah? Prayer run things. Don't leave out God out and nothing at all. No care you suffer. No care where they go through. Put God in it. Because when God say it is over and it is done, it done. You understand? So, ladies, do not put no crosses man over your children them. No put no crosses man over your children. Your children come first. I God come first in our life. You must understand what I say. But don't put man in front of your kids. And that then crosses man they want. Then disrespect you and your children. And some of them walk this and dirty to you see. They want they with you and they with the pitney. Dirty man them. Dirty man. Think first. Be careful. Remember if you put up your red flags them. Man will love when woman feed them. Then licky. Then wanga goat and then greedy. The man them will love when woman mind them. I lazy man them me attack, you know. The man them will love beat woman, you know. And disrespect them mother me attack. So you don't put yourself in there. You don't know how me attack. You understand? You don't know the type of man them when me attack. Them kind of lazy man they never have money, they ever broke. You see them man they, when they see them in front of us, they like his style. Yo, my youth, they can give me a bills. Buy me a 50 bag now. Tell me now, what we are doing with them kind of man they? Beg a Whistler now. How much time, can you imagine how much time they beg Whistler in a one day? And look how much one pack of Whistler. We are doing with them crosses man there. We don't want them one pack of Whistler. Look how cheap. And for the whole day, then half a light as cliff. And each cliff with them light, I beg them beg a Whistler. Can you imagine? Man all beg $20, $50, $100. Then workless and they need to look a job. And I then dress the hottest. And no money in them pocket and they want people good picnic if you can't spoil them up. Ladies, think. Gain some wisdom, knowledge and understanding. Starting positive and focus. Focus the right way. Yeah? Bless upon yourself. Big up on yourself. Out.